So yeah, my people are going. Yeah man, me there, my people. Me know no there. Me want wait for hear what go on with the flight. Yeah, so me there today to talk about it. Yeah man. So yes, my people. You know, for America we have to go to the ministry, you know. Yeah man, so I'm gonna leave the ministry and we head over the airport, which is in Kingston. Yeah man, Norman International Airport in Kingston. People, me dead and you know time for board the flight. So while me there, I walk go down to the gate to go up on the plane. You know me I make my video and thing guys, and I go and enjoy myself. Cause remember me tell you now my birthday guys. So me just make my video and I have fun. So up and entering the plane, my people, me there. Enter the plane load. Them close the door, them shove off the plane, ready to go take off. So I don't know what when they're on an aeroplane, while they're on the aeroplane, them I go through. I think them call it the demo. I'm not sure. So if you don't know what name, you can leave a comment down in the comment section. Yeah. When them do them little thing, when them tell about the seat belt and the life vest under the seat. Yes, my people. So while them do that, if you can look back in the video, the previous video, you see, I did a video outside when the person did hold up the little orange thing, yeah, when them shoot the plane back way, yeah. So while me have video that my people, me stop it, you know. So the camera did on, but me rest the camera up on the seat. You know, me rest the camera up on the seat pointing towards the lady where I do the demo, as well she call it. Yeah. The camera, like remember me saying, I stop the camera never did a video, you know, but the camera on. So through the camera point pan her, me just see the lady stop what she do and run come and me see it. And she was like, delete it now. Someone was like, delete what? What are you talking about? He said, the video. I saw you videoing me doing the demo. I said, no, I wasn't videoing you. She said, yes, you was videoing me. Delete it. I was like, I wonder if a lady are crazy or she race. You know? So she did it and I go on. Okay, I'm going to inform the pilot. I'm going to get to my supervisor. She leave from my seat now, you know, my people, and she head towards the cockpit, you know. Jesus Christ. The people, telling the truth, guys, I start fretting up because I say, John, after 12 years, this never happened to me, you know. I know the funniest thing about it, people, I always video them, you know, and something like that never happened to me, you know. But tell you the truth, so I say she head towards up at the cockpit now. Start fretting up, come I say. We just start look for see the plane, just stop. You know, come I say. As she said, she go inform the pilot. I did it. I'm rest down my head by the window, so with the window seat me have, you know. So they have two more friends beside me. One of them say, yo, told him I come down, woman. I go sub up and I look up now with people. I say she come down, lady. So the lady come on my seat now, and she was like, well, where's the video? So I said, what video? She said, call her by name, whatever, I don't remember the name. Told me that you video her while she was doing the demo. I said, no, I didn't video her. She said, what happened? I was like, this is what happened. While they was shoving the plane back, I was videoing the guy outside holding the little pole, orange pole. So as soon as me finish video outside, I stop the video, but the thing is the camera never turn off, but me just rest the camera on the seat pointing her direction, but she thought it was videoing her, but it wasn't. She said, you sure? So me on the camera, I'm saying, okay, here's the camera, check. She said, okay, it's okay, but next time you're not supposed to video. So really? So yeah, you're not supposed to video the demo. And she was like, as long as you are on this flight, do not video no more. I was like, really? But me pray and me say, you know, me not really want to get caught up in that because me always watch up on TikTok or YouTube when I see them throw people off a flight. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna video. So, you know. But upon that, my people, all of that, the thing that hurt me the most on that flight, people. There was like 3 Jamaican behind me. I think it was 2 lady and 1 man. A gentleman and 2 lady. The thing that hurt me the most. Only if you hear them behind me. No, I'm not going to say the 3 of them, you know, but no, I know the lady were behind my seat to be exact. Shout out behind me. I want to them for America, yeah, man. And I said that just chip my brain where me just feel like say me should have answer, but me I say, true, me no want to stir up nothing. Me delete the 2 lady them pre me as a bad person. Me just keep my composure and hold it. You see me? So, me don't know if it is really wrong to video them while them a do that, my people. Me don't know. Like me say, me always do it and me never have a problem. No one have ever rushed me that way about it. So, me think it was cool videoing it. You know? And me did say me I go up on YouTube or Google and check if it is okay for video it. And me just until now me not check, you know. So if you guys know if it is legal or it is wrong to video them while they are doing it, you can leave a comment down below and let me know what go on. So that is what actually take place on the flight, my people, you know, and my birthday traveling to Canada, you know. But like me say, it never happened. They never threw me off a flight. But to be honest, guys, you know, say me literally video her. Yeah, me literally video her. But when she tell me about, she go inform the pilot. Guys, me just make case and delete the video. And then when she come back, me just hand the video to her and tell her to check. Because me know say there is no video because me already delete it. That's why me say, because me was smart. Welcome back. Yeah, man. So we're back at it again. Another morning. You know. So today day 3 since arriving in Canada. Yeah, man, on the farm work program. So we active out on it. Yeah, man, day 3. So we come to put in some work this morning, my people. You know, I want to give thanks to Almighty God for wake up us this morning. So we could have able to be there, so, you know. So yes, my people, we're back on the apple tinning again. So they are space them out and get them 4 inches apart. Yes, man. So at day 3, you know, guys, and we still back on the job. I put in the work. Yes, Shadow.
Yes, I. The pilot are going to see me.
Red Bull give you wings. They say give you wings. Make you stay up.
So hold on, what you vex for? Sleepy, you're the answer. What you feel away from?
Me not tell you what is what already.
What?
You know, say anytime you talk to City, you talk to City, you tell them to let you tell you know time.
Today I want good day. The sun not too shine, you know. It's a cool day. Now beat down pan we. So find out so we are good. You know. It's a cloudy day, overcast day. Notice you now see sun. See sun there. A sun that a peep out, you know. Yeah man. So it kinda look, we are comfortable. Can get for tin off some apple. Just the foot them here now. So we have here up and down on the ladder. Put them tired. So we there same way man. A tin some apple. Or what you call it, space.
Blue note, and then go by panty side, daddy. And did over there and pick up some, and did there look funny and look funny. Alright.
No, no.
No, sir.
Yo. I'm ready.
Alright, please do a week. I don't see a nigga that we said he go for almost a yacht. Yo, when he tell us how sitting, he make you afraid, you're free and say, yo, you like you can't not even do your own thing, not even breathe, you can't breathe too hard for night feel.
I was good to blood plan, you know, but I say, that's what I use to live now. What you do? Remember last year, too? I'm here with like, right, you know. I time I gave me courses, labor for that. Faster.
Fuck up to the yacht. Regular me just go up. Catch two snapper. I'm not reach a steel gate. It's a dream for it.
Big cigarette.
No, sir.
Cigar.
Cigar.
Yeah, that's the big cigarette.
He might in my mouth, but he not go even light.
Sit down in my tiger breeze.
Well, that's it. I like you not Jimmy light today.
Huh? You're really fast. You're very fast. I mean, if you're not supermarket and in dumb people, you have to small. Properly in the...
So to my supporters, I just want to say a maximum thank you to each and every one of you who have been supporting at Odane Spearfishing lifestyle, and people, some awesome feelings, you know. Yeah man, it's really an awesome feelings, guys, and I want to say big apology also to the airline for that little mishap. Honestly, I never know. If I did know say it was a problem, I won't video it. So now I know what to do. So yeah, my people. Because I'm not a bad person, guys. Trust me. So like I say, maximum respect every time, and just continue for show some love. You know? Yeah, my people. So I just go on a little hint on the next video. Yeah man, we're gonna touch over on the cherry. Yeah man.